What's up guys, Justin here, and in this video I want to show you just how easy it is to start selling merch online. You can literally get this set up in a matter of minutes and it doesn't cost you a penny to get started. Selling merch online is a great way for you to increase the amount of revenue that you're generating as an independent artist, and it also helps you get free promotion from your fans. Because when your fans are walking around wearing shirts and hoodies with your band name or logo on them, other people see that and it brings more awareness to you and your music. So in this video, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to start selling your merch online, even if you don't have a penny to spend on inventory. Let's go ahead and get started. As an independent artist, it's really important that you have multiple streams of income to support yourself, your music career, and your promotions. And one of the best ways that you can start making more money is by opening an online merch store. In this video, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to start selling t-shirts, hoodies, posters, vinyl, CDs, Blu-ray, pretty much anything you can imagine. So the simplest thing you can do right now to start selling merch online, even if you don't have a penny to spend on inventory or setup, is to simply create a free store on a site like TeeSpring. With TeeSpring, you can have an online store set up in a matter of minutes. It's completely free to set up, and you don't have to worry about storing any inventory yourself. TeeSpring is what's known as a print-on-demand service. That means when a fan visits your store and purchases a t-shirt, for example, TeeSpring will collect payment from the fan, print the shirt, ship it directly to the fan, and send you your cut of the profits. You don't have to do a thing. And as I mentioned, it's incredibly simple to get started. You can have your store set up in just a few short minutes. In fact, I'll show you exactly how easy it is right now. To get started, just go to teespring.com, then click on the tab at the top that says Start Designing. Then click the sign up link and enter the email address and password that you want to use for your account. Click Sign Up, answer a couple of quick questions, and then name your store, and there you go. Now you have a Teespring store. Next, you just need to add some products to your store. Teespring offers a variety of print-on-demand products to choose from. T-shirts, hoodies, tank tops, socks, leggings, posters, blankets, cell phone cases, and more. So choose the first product that you want to create, upload the logo or image you want to print on the product, adjust the size and place it where you want it to go, then preview it to see how it looks. You can add different product colors for your fans to choose from, then set your price, and Teespring will display how much you'll earn from each sale. With the click of a button, you can add additional products to your store with the same design that you just created. Add a title and description for your listing. Click Publish, and you're done. It's that simple. Now you can add a link to your Teespring store to your current website or social media profiles, and send out an email to all of your existing fans to let them know that you have new merch available. When your fans make a purchase, Teespring will handle everything for you. They take the payment from your fans, print the t-shirt, hoodie, or whatever it is the fan purchased, they ship it directly to the fan for you, and then they send you your portion of the profits. You have no upfront costs, you don't need to store any inventory, and as you've seen here, you can get fully set up in a matter of minutes. This is the simplest, easiest way for any independent artist on any budget to get started selling merch online. Now there are some limitations to Teespring in that you can only sell the products that they offer. But what if you want to sell additional products that aren't offered through Teespring, like CDs, Blu-rays, or vinyl albums, for example? Well, Teespring will integrate with a platform you may be familiar with called Shopify. Shopify is quickly becoming the standard platform for e-commerce stores, and it's great for building an online merch store. Now there is a monthly fee to use Shopify, and that fee can vary depending on your specific needs. However, when you're just getting started, you probably only need the basic Shopify plan or maybe even Shopify Lite. You can go to jammob.com/Shopify to start your free trial and get special discount pricing. But let's talk about why you would want to use Shopify in the first place. Well, Shopify offers a lot of great features to help you set up a professional looking online merch store that'll allow you to easily track and manage inventory and payments. But in this particular case, I'm recommending it because it integrates seamlessly with Teespring, so you can still get all the benefits of your Teespring store. But you can also add a lot of additional products to your online merch store when you use Shopify. As a musician, it makes a lot of sense for you to sell physical copies of your music in your merch store. And Shopify will allow you to do that. Now to be clear, Shopify isn't like TeeSpring in the sense that TeeSpring offers print-on-demand services. So when it comes to selling physical copies of your music, you're still going to need to get your CDs and vinyl pressed. Shopify won't do that for you, unfortunately. But that's okay. You can use a service like Discmakers to handle that for you. Discmakers makes it super simple to get physical CDs and vinyl pressed. They'll even help you with packaging and design if you like. And they offer other products you might be interested in selling in your online merch store, like DVDs, Blu-rays, box sets, and USB drives. Now there are minimum quantities that you'll have to order, so be aware of that. And the more you order, the less you'll pay per unit. So ordering more will help you keep your costs down. But of course that means you have to store inventory. Well, I have some good news, because there's a little website that you may have heard of before called Amazon. Amazon has a service called Fulfilled by Amazon, or FBA. With FBA, you can simply pack up all your inventory and ship it to an Amazon fulfillment center. Then whenever a fan purchases one of those items, Amazon will pack it and ship it directly to your fan for you. And yes, Amazon FBA also integrates with Shopify. So you can sell your CDs, DVDs, vinyl, etc. in your Shopify store, and whenever a fan purchases one of those items, Amazon will pack it and ship it directly to the fan for you. So with all the services I mentioned in this video, you can have a professional, fully functional online merch store where you can sell virtually anything, and it can be set up and run on a shoestring budget. But you'll also need to get fans to the merch store in the first place. So let me quickly recap what we've covered so far, and then I'll give you the next step if you'd like to learn how to get new fans into your online merch store on a daily basis. All right, now if you're on a tight budget but you still want to get started making money selling your artist merch online, TeeSpring is a fantastic option. You can get set up in minutes, there's no upfront cost, and they'll handle everything for you. When one of your fans buys a shirt or other print-on-demand item, TeeSpring will process the payment, print the item, ship the item, and send you your cut of the profits. It's insanely simple. Then when you're ready to start selling additional merch beyond what TeeSpring offers, you can go to jammob.com/Shopify to get started with your free Shopify trial and get a special discounted rate on the monthly fee for your Shopify store. Shopify will integrate with TeeSpring so you can sell print-on-demand items, and TeeSpring will continue to process payments, print those items, ship them to your fans, and pay you your cut like they have been. But you can also start selling other items as well, like CDs, DVDs, and vinyl albums. You can use Discmakers to get that stuff made. Then you can ship all that physical inventory to Amazon using their FBA program, which will also integrate with Shopify. So you can sell physical copies of your music to your fans through your Shopify store, and whenever your fans purchase physical copies of your music, Amazon will pack and ship the purchase directly to your fan. So that's how you can get a professional, fully functional online merch store set up to start raking in some extra cash to support yourself, your music, and help fund your music promotions. But that's just the first half of the equation. Once your online merch store is set up, you still need to get fans to the store to buy stuff. Well, don't worry, there's a solution for that as well. I put together a course called Music Promotion Machine that will show you step by step how to set up a fully automated system for getting your music out to new audiences and getting new fans every single day. Using the system taught inside the Music Promotion Machine course, you'll be growing a list of new fans that you can send to your online merch store to start raking in sales. And the best part? You can automate everything. So new fans will discover your music, join your email list, and receive automated promotions to get them into your online merch store. And the system will run 24/7 so you can get new fans and generate sales even while you sleep. If that sounds like something you'd be interested in, just go to musicpromotionmachine.com or click the link in the video description to get instant access and start growing your fan base right away. Well, that wraps things up for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section below. And if you're not already subscribed to this channel, please click the subscribe button below this video and tick the little bell icon to be notified as soon as new videos are released. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.